Hey guys, so we got 10 minutes. Alright. Hopefully I remember that this is going to cut off in 10 minutes. So this headlight unit is for a 2000, it's for a 2013 to 2000, basically 18 Ford Taurus SEL. I believe, let me see if I can get you guys to see. You guys see that? Oh, too bright. Okay, maybe you can see it without the light. No. Okay, you can see that logo. It says Taurus. On the SHO, I think it says SHO. And on the SHO, which is the high performance version of the Taurus, not the plastic hair, but interior of this chrome, I believe it is, blacked out, which is really cool. So I'm supposing this would be a tear down. I don't know. One of these headlight units are like $590, $597. Do I want to do this? Yeah, and you can see it's actually like for Ford. It's the OEM. Guess we're gonna do it. It's just sitting in my room. Just free up some space, right? Just get rid of this thing. Put this here. Aha. Interesting. Okay. Ah, wow. Look at that. I never knew that existed there. All this is glass? Ah, there we go. Oops. Oh. Very stinking interesting. Oh my goodness. Alright, we're still going to tear this open. Oh man, I want to see what's inside. Okay. Interesting. Alright. I don't know how to open it though. Still doesn't hold anything together. What's holding you together, Papito? You guys? Oh. I guess that's that. Oh. Yeah, there's no turning back. Oh, crap. So the reason why I got this, the reason why it's here in my house and not in the car is because it has had condensation in it, water in it. Yeah, there's no going back for this one. And so I ended up purchasing a set of two, yeah. What is this thing down here? Alright, start cutting this thing. Ooh, this isn't really cuttable. This is edible. Alright, we're just going to dive into it. How do I get to this? Been on the railroad all the day long day. This thing is actually pretty tight together, see it? Whoa. Maybe I won't be able to open it. Maybe that's why there's not a video on YouTube of it opening, because it's... What's this? Nope. I'll be back. Okay. I don't know where that was. Oh, hey, piano. What do we got? 5 minutes? 6 minutes. Okay. So that didn't do anything. No. Shucks. Okay. Guess I'm gonna have to break it. I wanted to neatly open it up if I could. Alright, I'm going to need to heat this up to open this up. Oh, I can't do this. There's a sharp part on it. Goodness grief. Alright. This is going to be like a 4-part video. I can see that. I don't have a heat gun. Why are you flickering? What's this? Is that like the warranty sticker thingy? Yep. Okay. Gotcha. Okay. So I guess I just voided all warranty. There's no going back, guys. Oh yeah. Scratch my mommy couch, boy. And we're gonna run into a tiny problem. Can't get in there. It's too hard. Alright. I have to wait for my car to come home so I can get my longer tools out. Because we can't go any further. Wow, I just need to get that screw and that screw. This is complicated, guys. Okay.